Get ready to have your mind blown because what you're looking at right now, it's not even me. This is an AI-generated version of myself. You didn't see that coming, did you? This AI clone looks like me, talks like me, and even gestures like me. And the best part, it can speak 175 different languages in my voice. I made this AI avatar with an AI tool called HeyGen. Let me show you how I pulled this off step by step. Let's roll. Creating an avatar of yourself or for somebody that's given you permission to do so opens up a world of exciting possibilities. Imagine not having to step in front of the camera every time you need to create a video, or not having to ask your boss for some time if you need to create a video of them. With just their avatar, you can effortlessly create videos for your organization without any hassle. HeyGen is an incredible tool, and the best part is that it's super easy to use. So how to get started? Well, let's head on over to the HeyGen website. I'll leave a link in the description below and you can get started for free. With the free version, you'll be able to create one custom avatar of yourself and you'll be able to use it to create 3 videos a month. These videos can be up to 3 minutes and 720p. If you need more options, you can take a look at their paid version. Once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and click on the avatar button on the left side of the page. And under video app, click on create avatar. Then select motion to get started. Now you'll get the option to look at the instructions in a video format or in a text format. I'm going to go ahead and select text. And it's super easy. They just need a video footage of the subject looking at the camera and speaking to the camera. They need this video footage to create the clone. Basically, you record a 2 to 5 minute video of the subject. You don't need any fancy equipment, just shoot in a well-lit room. Keep your eyes on the camera and don't overdo it with the hand movements. Once you've got the video ready, all you have to do is upload it onto HeyGen. There's a quick checklist to make sure that everything's perfect. The platform will go ahead and check everything to make sure you're good to go for your avatar creation. If all looks good, you'll move on to the next step. We're going to go ahead and select all of these checkboxes. These are just checkpoints to make sure that your video meets the quality standards to be able to create your custom avatar. If there's background noise that enhances the overall experience, you can choose to keep the ambient noise, or you can go ahead and remove it from your recording. If your footage is 4K, you can go ahead and select 4K, and that way, if you do have the premium plan, you can create 4K videos. All right, click my footage looks good. Very important part of creating a clone or a custom AI avatar of yourself or of anybody else is getting consent. You've got to get approval from the person whose avatar you're creating. They will need to be in front of a webcam and record a video of themselves giving consent. If it's you, you can do that yourself, but if it's somebody else, you'll have to get them in front of a webcam. They can do this on the phone, so you can send them a link and they can provide their consent. If you're an enterprise user, well, you've got more options. Once the consent is in the bag, HeyGen will get to work and start creating your custom AI avatar. Typically, this can take about 10 to 15 minutes if you've got 3 minutes of footage, and that's pretty quick for something that's this cool. When your AI avatar is ready, you can head on over back to HeyGen and click on avatars on the left side. You'll see your newly created avatar ready to be used. Oh, and if you don't really need a personal avatar, HeyGen has a library of professional avatars ready to be used. So if you're working on a project and it doesn't really matter who the subject is, well, you can go ahead and choose an avatar from the library. For our example, I'll go ahead and choose my own app. Now it's time to add your script. And you can do this in 2 ways. You can go ahead and type out your script and HeyGen will create the audio for you in your voice. Or you can go ahead and upload an audio that you already have. Now, I have noticed that I get better results when I upload my own audio because although HeyGen is good at the AI avatar creation part, I don't think the audio is that great, so I prefer to upload my own audio. Another really cool feature is that there is a translate option, so you can translate your script into multiple different languages. All set, go ahead and click submit, and within minutes, HeyGen will have your video ready to go. You'll get an email with a download link, or you can go ahead to your library where you can grab your video. Think about how this is going to drastically change the way we create videos. Marketing teams will be able to create product videos in no time. Sales teams will be able to send personalized sales videos to their clients. And learning and development teams, well, they'll be able to create training with realistic avatars that look like people within the team. And guess what? They'll even be able to translate it for a global audience. If you enjoyed the video today and you like talking AI, well, click subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.